Oh wow, looks like we got a new visitor on our website. Seems like there is a new visitor on our website. Seems like, hey, welcome on our website. Welcome into the Premium Lives environment. And because I want to deliver already on our first meeting, I have prepared for you some great value. I would like you to interact with Premium Life on daily basis. So I prepared this first fundamental program that you can become part of right now. It's called Success Program, and with registering for free, obviously, you will become part of the Premium Life. Okay, so let me clarify. Okay, you will get in your email every day a video that's going to motivate you and inspire you on your journey towards success. Okay, it's not just motivational quote, but it's also a knowledge. Okay, because I believe that you can keep interacting, keep delivering, keep prospering when you're running your own business or your life only if your mind is up to date. Okay, only if you are processing valuable information. So I decided that I give you an option to be part of our community for free. Okay, with that you are going to get daily motivational or knowledgeable educational video directly into your email. Okay, and you are also going to get the access to the Premium Lives website and our private groups, I would say Facebook group, okay, and our Premium Lives website group forum, where you will be able to ask questions and interact with other people. Okay, is not that something like that could be of a great deal to you? I would really appreciate you that you can become part of our network, because it's not just about you getting something, it's also about you giving something. Because I believe that you got something there and other people need you. People need your value and your support. Okay, and with you giving more and more, you also open the doors for getting more and more. And that's why I really want to give you this opportunity that you join in and start networking with like-minded people of our great community of the Premium Life. Okay, beside of that, you can see on this website you will get also weekly incentives. Okay, you will be able to come in and jump in on our live video show, and you will be able to jump in on our weekly coaching call, depending of which kind of leader or influencer we're hanging out. So every week we got coaching calls from different leaders, different influencers. Okay, so all of this is packaged in the Success Program. Success Program is the fundamental step of the Premium Life, and I decided that I'm going to give it out for free because I want to build on our relationship first, and then if you would like, we could go into some business growth strategies separately than that, okay, and upgrade to any other programs that are payable, because they provide so much more of the specific value to you. But right now, let's first see what the Premium Life has got for you and me. Okay, so join to the Success Program right now. All that you need to do is to insert your email and follow few extra steps. Okay, you will land on the thank you page after you insert your email, and you will need to register to the Premium Lives platform. Okay, so two things are going to happen. First of all, you will subscribe to our email list, so you will be getting the Success Principle of the Day videos on your email, okay, and some other updates as well. And secondly, you just need to complete the registration process, which is going to take you no more than 1 minute, okay? And you will become part of the Premium Lives network, Premium Lives platform, okay? For free, okay? And that's not all, okay? I also prepared for you the course that's called Design Your Lifestyle. Okay, this is the course that I have designed in past 2 or 3 or 4 years, because I saw that I need to organize my life. Okay, I saw that I need to put in place certain tasks, okay, that can hold me accountable toward my vision, toward my goals. Okay? So these tasks of the Design Your Lifestyle course, which I lead you through anyway, okay, you get it after you register for the Success program, okay? And with that course, you will organize your lifestyle, you will set goals, you will create vision board, your dream board, you will organize your daily routine, and you will write out your purpose statement, you will write some affirmations that you can be rewriting every day, you will get the access to a pre-written self-confidence formula, okay, and things like that. There is many more tasks, probably there is around 30 or 40 tasks, okay, and you will be able to follow also that course through for free, okay. I really put a lot of my value on the table because I believe in great experiences. Okay, that's what I'm usually doing with my clients, okay. I'm very professional and I try to deliver as much as possible, okay, in exchange for the value that we have been organizing together, okay. So it would be great pleasure for me to introduce you to all the things that are happening in our community. So please register or put your email first into the opt-in forum next to the video, and then just spend 1 extra minute to register for free Success program to get access to our website, and you will be able to start becoming the person that you always wanted to be and achieve your business goals, your personal goals, increase your sales, and everything else that you really wanted, okay? So there was Primoz Lazar here, and I really appreciate you becoming part of our community.